Before the opening bell, U.S. futures, they remain on the upside. This as market sentiment was lifted by a U.S. Labor Department report that said the latest initial jobless claims fell to 779,000, fewer than the 830,000 expected. This as 78% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Pinterest soaring after hours on better than expected quarterly earnings. Ford Motor announced plans to invest $29 billion by 2025 in electric and autonomous vehicles. Separately, the company reported fourth quarter adjusted EPS that managed to beat estimates. And then there's Coca-Cola in the headlines, which might sell a 30% stake of its South Africa bottling unit for about $669 million. This according to a report from Bloomberg. Now, taking a look at today's action, there's no major earnings expected, but on the economic docket before the opening bell, we have the combination of average hourly earnings as well as U.S. non-farm payrolls, and then we also have the unemployment rate. The combination of imports, exports await as well, and the balance of trade. And then in the afternoon hours, we have the release of U.S. consumer credit. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees further advance, and that's in focus. The relative strength index is bullish and calls for further advance. Long positions above 38.52 are favored, with targets at 3,900 and 39.20 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq is moving towards 13,810. This while the Dow Jones intraday continues to see a bullish bias above 30,855.